Do you know why businesses prefer Shopify POS to Lightspeed? You can run your business without using workarounds. Lightspeed requires workarounds to keep up to date, whether it's enabling local pickup from numerous locations or transmitting product information between retail and e-com. Shopify syncs in real time, streamlining operations for inventory, customers, and orders. No patches or manual reconciliation necessary. You can keep inventories under your control. Online sales on Lightspeed can only be accessed through a major retail location. This implies you may wind up overselling at one location, even if other locations have available inventory. Shopify allows you to prioritize which locations should fulfill online orders first, or which should fulfill an order depending on which location is nearest. Returns are handled quickly. If you want to get Shopify POS, click the link below. To allow returns of online purchases in store using Shopify, just locate the original order in POS and process the refund. Inventory is updated and shipping expenses can be paid. On Lightspeed, you must toggle between your e-com account, retail account, and online payment provider. This also implies that whoever is executing the return must have a login and will have access to all of your e-com data, even if they are only processing a return. You can make modifications to your plan at any time. When you're using Lightspeed versus Shopify POS, where you're in control of your firm, changes like expanding your product limit or adding personnel necessitate a chat with sales. You may upgrade, downgrade, or cancel at any time from the Shopify admin. And if you want assistance, our team is available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. You get strong commerce features. Shopify is used by over 1 million businesses worldwide to sell in store online, on social media, and through online marketplaces. The platform is designed to blend ease of use with comprehensive capabilities, providing you with all the tools you need to handle items, people, and payments as your business expands. Shopify also provides functions that go beyond sales, such as marketing and customer interactions, as well as product sourcing and order fulfillment. To obtain answers to your Shopify POS questions, click the link below.